Okushaba beji okweyikirizamu bakagera amatsiko kukorirwa mu kushabira beji no kubahongera hari mukama aha Light Secondary School omu Nyabubare Igarabushenyi District.
Because one day we will reap a harvest. Do not give up and say, today we have been dedicated, now the chapter is closed. Not really. You still have time to go, and I'm here to tell you, and I promise you, you can make it every within these remaining days.
Nabwanyuma bashomesa n'abazire bakwatanise okuhonga beji hari mukama okubarabya buhoro ombubuzo ebiporekerire.
It is our prayer that you bless the members of these sets, their rulers, bless their chaplains.
Itwe abana abo mwako go barimo bakora examu twa dedicating abana basiniya 6 abana bina anana munana kandi abasiniya 4 biri kumwe nabashatu kandi abana bubona tubegise kandi barwede gukora examu cyabo.
Abutuza kwatanisa hamwe kubasima ahabwo kuhurira obuhabuzi bw'abaziro muka bakahurira obuhabuzi bw'abashomesa hanuya kandi bakakora ibyo kutangaza.
Emphasis ya yamani ejya micwe sanya mu mwana bwo korota wotine micwe mirungi nabwese nekora ki ne kurema
Bana banje mukama barinde, mukama bahereza umugisha, mukama bakize mutana gwa mishoge.
Hariho abeji abitwaganira nabo uko betebekanisize buzwebi.
Abashomesa bagezeho gukora umurimo wabo ecyo kubanza bagezeho gushomesa kureba mutwaheza basi omwire
bamiyanza kora ishkwetazi shomesa cyo kumara isaba dedicatinga sonti zashikora munzu.
Aha mukoro ogu hona habireho no kurongora abo abakozere kurungi ombibuzo by'umwaka 2023-2024.
Twamushima kubaha miliyoni 5.
Abana umwana kuba akozere rya P7 tumuhereza basare na nasini ya 4 kuzo musini ya 5 yaba akozere rye tumuhereza basare.
Mugandi abaziro mu district ya Shema bashabire kukunda abana babe dini kutari kubarekerensi begambiro rukure dini y'obusiramu aha bwa Shema district aha mukoro gwo kuhasirira beji abarukuza kushitamira ebyizo bya senior ya kana aha Kabohe Secondary School omuri Kabohe Shema municipality.
Abana bamwe mubakurize mu dini twali kintu kyosobola kuba mwana nga kumukuriza mu dini kyekintu kyoyinza okuwa omwana nofa notasalwa.
You give to those that you love, and the fear of you is the beginning of wisdom. Here we are in your presence, Lord, showing that we fear you, and the reason as to why we have come to you to surrender these to you, that you give them knowledge, wisdom and understanding.
Isaka Msime mukuru wa Kabohe Secondary School ahamiza abazire ngutine mwana uragwe.
Abana bakakora moka kandi moka ruzasizoreka ngo nibija gukora je munonga tweresere external facilitators bagamba n'abana babore kuko barakora ibyezo abana twabaretera ba counselors baba counselinga.
They have prepared us in a special way that they have guided us in discussions, they have led our classes, facilitation, they have finished the syllabus in time, they have guided us in everything that we could need to pass our forthcoming examinations.
Our teachers have always told us to be disciplined, so students at Kabohe SS were always disciplined, whereby the best performance starts from this discipline.
Gasha kwa Susan Charles Sima na Mike Watwachiri.